Welcome back to Qazi Science and Technology. Today, we're talking about a vital component in any electrical system, electrical wires. Whether you're powering appliances at home or industrial machines at a factory, selecting the right type of wire is critical for efficiency and safety. When choosing wires, you might come across terms like 329 and 729. These numbers are important because they describe the wire's construction. Let's break that down. The first number tells you how many strands of wire are twisted together, and the second number refers to the gauge, or thickness, of each strand. So, a 329 wire has 3 strands of 29 gauge wire. This wire is commonly used for light-duty applications, such as home lighting and other low-current setups. It's relatively thin and not as flexible, but it works well in situations where flexibility isn't a concern. On the other hand, a 729 wire consists of 7 strands of the same 29 gauge wire. The extra strands make it more flexible, which is helpful in environments where the wire may need to move or bend frequently. Think of places like machinery, vehicles, or any installation that experiences vibration or movement. The flexibility of the wire helps prevent wear and tear, ensuring longevity and reliable performance. The key takeaway is that the right wire for the job depends on your specific needs. Thicker wires handle more current, while flexible wires are better for dynamic environments. That wraps up our overview of 329 and 729 wires. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Qazi Science and Technology for more insights into the world of electronics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.